Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab S8 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize theme of your keyboard on this device. First of all, go into Device Settings. Now scroll all the way down, choose General Management, click on Samsung Keyboard Settings, scroll down and choose Theme. Then pick one of the available ones by tapping on the chosen one and choosing Home button. Now when I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always try something more colorful by going into Play Store and tapping on the search bar. Over here, type in Gboard Keyboard, order Gboard, and download this free app from Google Developer. Following that, click on Open. Now you need to choose Enable in Settings. Click on the switcher next to Gboard over here and tap on OK in the pop-up. Now tap on Select Input Method, select Gboard, tap on Done, and over here I will go into Settings just to make sure that my keyboard was set up properly. Go into General Management, then Gboard Settings over here, and Theme. Now you can pick Show More to see all available ones, and when you're ready, click on one of those colors or images, like that one. Tap on the switcher next to key borders to enable or disable them and tap Apply. Then choose Home button, and as you can see, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always go back into the same settings, but this time click on this plus sign under My Themes. Then select the photo that you wish to apply. Pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, you need to select Next, adjust brightness by swiping left or right and tap on Done. Then click on the switcher next to key borders, and when you're ready, just apply. Now when I click Home button and go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!